Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things crypto and finance. Today we'll be discussing the Bitcoin Lightning Network, a revolutionary technology that is changing the way we use Bitcoin. And as always, I'm going to try to make this simple enough that even my dad can understand it. Also, if you happen to learn something, I hope that you'll subscribe, as after each video I'll be having a discussion with my dad about the topic of each video. Okay, so the Lightning Network was created by a group of developers in order to solve a problem with the Bitcoin network. As more and more people began to use Bitcoin, the network became slower and more expensive to use. The developers knew that something needed to be done to make Bitcoin more effective, more efficient, and accessible to everyone. These developers worked tirelessly to create the Lightning Network, and they are still working to improve it today. They are paid for their work through a process called open source development, where people can donate money to the project in order to support the developers' efforts. The Lightning Network is a decentralized network that is run by a community of users. These users, called node operators, are responsible for keeping the network running by processing transactions and forwarding them to other nodes. They are also rewarded for their efforts through transaction fees. So how does the Lightning Network work? Essentially, it creates a layer on top of the Bitcoin network that allows for faster and cheaper transactions. It works by creating payment channels between users, which allows them to make multiple transactions without having to wait for each one of them to be confirmed by the entire network. Think of it like a shortcut that allows you to bypass the traffic on the main road and get to your destination faster. It allows for micropayments, which means small payments like buying a cup of coffee without having to pay high transaction fees. It's like having a separate lane on the highway for cars with small loads, so they can get to their destination faster without getting stuck in traffic with the big trucks. The Lightning Network is currently being used in a variety of countries around the world, but it's especially popular in places like Africa, where traditional banking infrastructure is limited. It's helping people in these countries to access financial services that were previously out of reach, and is providing a way for them to participate in the global economy. The Lightning Network is a game changer for the world of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. It's making it easier and more affordable for people to use Bitcoin, and it's helping to bring financial freedom to people in countries where traditional banking infrastructure is limited. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you'll come back to watch the more in-depth conversation about the Bitcoin Lightning Network with my dad. If you want to learn more about other important aspects of Bitcoin and crypto, be sure to check out my channel. I break down the complex concepts and even have conversations with a Bitcoin skeptic to give you a well-rounded perspective. And as always, I will see you next time.